Hey, how we doing, everyone? Once again, this is Assistant Coach Phatyl from the Attack Gym in Hoodoo, Street Water, Kiporta. You already know, in Hoodoo is a Swahili term that means way of the freedom. Right now, I'm getting ready to do a little, potting. I germinated a watermelon seeds here. One of them, I don't know if you see that, and it's time to put it in the soil. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I prefer to do it. You don't necessarily have to have these soil. I normally make my own compost, but I used it all in my last garden, so now I had to, do my own. So first, what I like to do is I like to use organic matter within my potting because it also helps to provide more food as it decomposes later on. So I put a little bit at the bottom, and then I put a little base layer of soil, and then I plant my seed and I put more. So right now you see I got my little, I don't know what kind of size pot this is in here. And I got my organic matter in there. I get my bag here. I try to do a 1-to-1 ratio, but we're gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna get a little bit of my worm casting. Put it in here. Get some of my soil. I got fox soil, but again, you can get a decent, whatever soil you like to use. I put that in there, maybe more, maybe less. And then now I like to blend it all together here. Nothing hard, just blend it all. And then I add some inside the potting soil so I can cover what I got going on there. Now I get some more of the organic matters. You can use already dried up leaves if you want to. I prefer live leaves so that, when you're eating live, the nutrition is live when you get it. So put some more in there. I like to break it up because the smaller it is, the easier it is to decompose, the faster it'll get into your soil when you need it. I'm gonna top that off a little more soil, like that there. As you can see, it's covered. Now I'm gonna gently grab one, I have others too, one of my seeds here, in this case, a watermelon seed. And I need more soil because it shouldn't be too buried too deep. So let me add more soil here. It only needs to be about 1 inch deep. So on this particular pot might be a little bit too big for it, but pour it all in there, just like that. I like to just take my finger in, go 1 inch deep. Each one of these are about 1 inch, so that's my measuring stick right there, boop. And I'm gonna take my seed, pop her in place, and then from here I just add a little water and she'll be good to go, and I can show you guys the progress as we go. If you like the content, please give a like, thumbs up, check out all our other channels, our Instagram, our YouTube, Facebook, our blogs. We got a lot of information. We're doing a whole human development system here. Once again, Assistant Coach Phatyl from the Attack Gym in your Hoodoo, Kiporta. You guys have a good day.